Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's yarn tube. I did it. I got some Caron anniversary cakes. These things are pretty huge. So I got two. One that I'm going to make a blanket for my living room out of. I think a circle blanket. So this one right here is called Blueberry Bash. You can see those pretty colors. My living room is kind of turquoise and gray for the most part. But these colors will go with it. Although I don't really have any green in here, there's lots of plants. I guess that's the green in the room. But I think this will go good with my living room. Actually, Elijah picked it out. He picked out the color that he thought would go best with our living room. So here is this one. So I got that one for the blanket reason. And I got this one just to be my pet yarn so I can just pet it. Because these are pretty soft. Even though they are made in China. And they are soft. Here lately I've been finding that yarns made in Turkey are kind of the softest yarns. But this one is called Peach Party. Peach Party. So I'm not an orange lover, but these colors look good together. I mean, honestly, when I was sitting there and I was looking at all the cakes, oh my gosh, they're just so big. When I was looking at all the cakes, it was hard to pick what color. There was a few colors that did not appeal to me at all. But then there was a few that did appeal to me. So they had another blue that had a kind of a turquoisey color in it. But Elijah didn't think that would go with our living room that well. So he picked this one. And I picked this one, even though Elijah didn't like this one. And like I said, I've never been an orangey type person, but I don't know, this peach and fuchsia and kind of it's not really orange, it's kind of a light peach and a dark peach and a fuchsia and a purple kind of creamed in there all together. For some reason, that just appealed to me. And so, yes, I love these. I love these so much. I don't know what I'll make out of this one. Nothing in the plan for immediately. I might just put this on my desk so I can pet it. Be my little pet yarn. But definitely have plans for this one. Alright, so I got those two. And I probably could have picked a couple more. No, okay, I will tell you this. These are $34.99. That's a lot. I mean, these are a 6 bulky, and it is 1,061 yards. And I didn't do the math to figure out how many yards is in our $9.99 cake. I should have done the math to do that, but I didn't to see if these are really worth the $34.99 or not. But anyway, they're on sale for 20% off right now. Actually, everything is at Micheals because you get the 20% off coupon on your phone and your emails. You have a 20% off coupon. So I got this 20% off, but then also I had a $5 reward. I don't know. I think you get $5 every time you spend $25. I don't know. I had a $5 reward thing to scan on my phone. So I got $5 off of this also. And then on top of that, I got Elijah's discount because we live in the same home. I get his employee discount. So then I got 30% off of all that. So I did get these at very good prices, and I could go back and get a couple more at very good prices. So if I do, just know that I got very good prices. So I do love that. I am going to do the math to figure out that, and I'll pop that in some other time on a video. But anyway, I got that. And then, okay, so my plan is I want to get back on the blanket for my living room, and I need 2 blankets. I need one for the big couch and one for the smaller couch. Now, I don't even sit in this living room. I never sit over there. The boys hang out in the living room. That's kind of their room. There's no TV in there. It's just 2 couches, a coffee table, and the dining room is on the other end. But anyway, there's no TV in there, but they hang out in there with their laptops or whatever. So I wanted to make some throw pillows and finish up the blankets for those couches. So I found this. Like I said, the walls are gray. There's 2 walls that's turquoise and 2 walls that's gray. You can see a gray wall behind me, but we also have some turquoise walls. That wall's turquoise and that wall's turquoise. So I saw this and I thought, okay, I'm going to make a throw pillow with that. Probably, I don't know if I can get 1 or 2 throw pillows out of it, but I don't really want the throw pillows to all match like the same yarn. I want them to go together, but not be exactly the same. I just kind of want it to tie in. So that is, the plans for this is a throw pillow. And this is a swirl cake, the Caron swirl cakes. It is 252 yards. And the color of this is iced cream. So anyway, I like that. I mean, just to see how that's going to work up. I can't see what the center might start off with the twirl there. But anyway, I can't wait to see how that works up for a pillow. And then I bought some more of the Craft Smart yarns because they are really soft. And I thought I would add them into the blankets that I'm making. But I did buy this one not for that blanket. I might make a throw pillow for my bench in my yarn room because that colorway right there just makes me happy. It is called Rainbow. It is the new Craft Smart. It's really soft. So I might make a throw pillow to go. Oh, what's that? I don't know what that is. A string. I might make a throw pillow to go on that bench in this because I just think that's very happy. And it makes me happy to see that color. Okay, and then the other ones I bought, well, this was the other variegated. This is called Lotus Blossom. Excuse me 1 second. This is called Lotus Blossom. It's, the new Craft Smart. It is really soft. It doesn't have any green in it, but I was thinking on a smaller scale yarn, it looks like it would just go with this. So in the room, I just might make a throw pillow, not actually to go with this blanket, but just to go in the room with this blanket. Does that make sense? Anyway, so it has the colors of the big blanket that I'm making are all in this. So I think this would make a great throw pillow or 2. And then the other ones I bought are, I'm just mixing these colors in with a blanket that I've already got started. So I bought the gray in the Craft Smart, and each one of these are 354 yards. It's the new Craft Smart. They are very soft. I have a video comparing the old Craft Smart to the new Craft Smart. So you can check that out and see. Anyway, this is called light gray, and it is a very light gray. It almost has like a bluish tint to it, but it's gray. And then I bought Periwinkle. So I'm trying to use blues, purple, and maybe a touch of greenish in this particular blanket. So a Periwinkle And then I have a mint. It's a really pretty color. And then I bought the aqua, and that is a beautiful color too. And then I have cornflower. If I'm not mistaken, I have a red heart color that might be called cornflower. That's more of a an off-white, between off-white and yellow, beige, that might be called cornflower. But this is Craftsmart's cornflower. Did I show this one yet? This one is called Ice Blue. It almost looks gray, a light gray with a blue tint. And then this one is Reef. And then the last one of the Craftsmart, this is called Arctic. So that's a bunch of different shades of blues, a touch of purple, and this minty green. And I already have some colors going on already. And this will just add to it and make the blanket more interesting and beautiful colors to look at. And the other thing that I did purchase was they had these cotton cakes, clearance down to $3.97. And so I picked up 2 of these. Because remember the little granny squares that I'm making out of those little dollops? I picked up 2 of these to connect those, use as connectors and borders. So this is just white, and it is 530. My eyes are just so bad I can't even see with glasses. I think 530 yards. So that's a lot of white in there. I'll be using those to connect those squares and do things like that. And that is the yarn I bought at Micheals. You know, didn't really need to go, but I went anyway because I'm weak. And I wanted these. I wanted to get an anniversary cakes. These things are huge. I mean, let me just pop that up on my shoulder so you can just get an idea of the size of that. That sucker's pretty big, isn't it? And then this one. Now, when I went in the store and I looked at them, okay, so I wasn't planning on going to Micheals. I was sitting at home, tending my own business. Angela, I was tending to my own business. And Elijah texted me and said they just put out the Caron anniversary cakes. I was like, no way. Well, by that time I was getting my shoes on. And so I went up there. Okay, so they had these in plastic bags. They had them all individually in plastic bags. Elijah said he thinks just the person that was putting them out on the floor just didn't take them out of the bags. But they had them in those bags, and they were kind of like compressed in those bags, and they looked little, like what I seen online. I thought they were going to be big, and it was just so small. I thought, that's not very big at all. I mean, yeah, it was bigger than a regular Caron cake, especially, you know, a number 6 Caron cake. It was bigger than that. But it, oh, wait. Oh, that's not a number 6. I was thinking I could just, that's a number 4 weight. I was thinking I could compare that real quick. So I just happened to see it in the side there. But, and then that one's just a big cake, and it's definitely a number 4 and not a number 6 or even a 5. Anyway, so they had them in plastic bags, was what I was saying. And then they didn't look that huge, actually, but that was large, right? Okay, so once I got them home and I opened them and the air got all up in there, they just kind of exploded. You know how when you open a box of stuffing, the polyfill, when you open that and it just kind of, you know, the air gets in it and it just expands out. That's the way these did. And so there's that one up on my shoulder. I love these cakes. I might eventually get a couple more to either make stuff with or just to stare at. I think I'm putting this one on my desk though, so I'll have my pet yarn close to me. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all again very soon.